Well, hello. Tyler is going to wear the camera as he jumps on the trampoline. There's Tyler. Okay, Tyler, come here. Put it on your head. After you've finished eating your muffin, your brownie. Nourishing breakfast. Here you go. Come here, sweetie. You need it to be tighter. Yeah?
Yes.
Please, let me just see. Just turn up. I'll just tighten it up first. Pretty tight here already. I'm not sitting in.
You know what?
What?
I'm growing.
You're growing? Have you been growing all day? Did you ever check to see how much you grew yesterday? Stand up by the wall and make a line. Here, come here a second.
I'm growing out of my shirt.
Oh.
I think we should just make it like this.
Okay. You might have to hold your hand on your head when you're jumping.
Okay.
Just to keep your whole thing there. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going to wait for you.
No. Can we have the camera in this?
I don't know where my camera is. I lost it.
It's right there.
Do you really know where it is?